Alright class, today we're going to learn about the operations of functions. What is it, Sean Miller?
Can I please use the restroom?
Sure, but be back as soon as possible. I have a class to teach.
I'm going to turn this school into a tropical rainforest. Ha 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 ha. All right, I will turn this school into a tropical rainforest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, I turned the school into a tropical rainforest. Yes, I turned the school into a tropical rainforest. Yes, I turned the school into a tropical rainforest.
Sean Miller, the school is now a tropical rainforest and I don't know why. Hold the fuck up, I believe you had something to do with this, Sean Miller, because you're giving me that strange look on my face.
That's right, Principal Carrington, I turned the school into a tropical rainforest.
Sean Miller, how fucking dare you turn the school into a tropical rainforest? You know that you're not allowed to do that at all. That's it, you're expelled forever. Go home now.
No, 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 no.
Really, Sean Miller, you had to turn the school into a tropical rainforest. Why the hell would you do that?
Get right, and he was born, for Christ's sake.
I don't give a shit, dude. You're grounded for 98 decades. Go to your room right now.
What the hell?